Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everyone doing today? Today we will be making a pav for the Pav Bhaji. So I'm just going to show the pav today right now. Then we will make later on masala and the bhaji. It's a pav is actually like a dinner roll. We eat with the vegetables in India. That's called Pav Bhaji. Okay, to make Pav Bhaji, we have to first activate the yeast. So I have 1 cup of warm milk, not hot, not cold. When you put your finger, it should be warm. Okay. Then I'm gonna add 2 spoons of sugar, and we're gonna mix it real good. Okay, then I have over here to activate the yeast. That's very important. You have to add some sugar in there. 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm sorry. Okay, then we're gonna add yeast, 2.5 teaspoons, or you can add 1 whole packet. If you get the packets, you can have. I have this yeast over here. So I'm going to be adding 2.5 spoons over here. Okay, see, 2.5 spoons of yeast I'm adding from here. So 1 spoon and 2 spoons and 2.5 spoons. Okay, we're going to leave it to proof this for at least 10 minutes. I think it will be done in 10 minutes. Okay, I'll come back after 10 minutes. Okay friends, let's see our yeast is activated or not. Let's see, it's been 10 minutes. Look how nicely our yeast is activated. See, so if your yeast do not activate like this, if it's expired or something, please do not make the do not go forward with this recipe, because it's not gonna make the nice and fluffy pav for you. Okay, then I have 3 cups of white flour, maida, all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add that, and 1 spoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we are gonna start mixing it together, incorporate everything, make a dough with it. And I was gonna take some more milk, or you can put either milk or maybe you can put warm water. So I have a 1/4 cup of warm milk over here. I'm going to add this 1/4 cup of warm milk. Let me start mixing it with a hand. It's going to be sticky. I'm gonna add some butter in there. Mixing some butter. Now we're gonna pull and stretch the dough to get the gelatin, to develop the gelatin. So let's take this out from here and put it over here. And keep on stretching like this. If you want, you can put some more butter in there. It's going to be sticky anyway. It's looking a little tight. I'm going to put 2 spoons of more milk. See how it's forming the gelatin there? See, it's getting stretchy now. It's gelatin. I know it's sticky, but it's okay. See how it's sticky? It's developing the gelatin in there. Okay, we got enough gelatin in there. It's sticky and stretchy. So we're gonna put it to raise the dough. Okay, we're gonna use a little bit of oil on my hands. What's stuck to my hands and it comes loose. So okay, we're gonna put it in there. Okay, our dough is ready. So we're gonna leave it for at least an hour, half an hour to an hour to rise the bread. Look how nice it is now. So we can make pav. So okay, we're gonna apply a little bit of oil on top of it so it don't dry. And we're gonna cover with a towel and leave it for maybe an hour. Okay friends, the dough is sitting over here for 1.5 hours. So I think it's raise the bread dough. Okay, let's see. Look at the double the size what we left it. So you see how much it's like a nice. Now it's ready to be make it the small little pavs. Okay. Okay friends, we're gonna knead a little bit this one and we're gonna make the small pavs. Maybe we can make 9 of them. I'll cut it into 9. We're gonna make 9 small pavs. So we'll cut it into 3 like that. So we'll take 1 and I got 3 into there. So take 1 at a time. Okay, then we have this parchment paper. I put it in my baking sheet. So this is a cake tin. You can put it in there. Okay, like that. Okay, we're gonna do the rest of them like that. Okay friends, I divided them into 9. We are making a 9 pav. So I'm gonna cover it again and put it for second proofing for half an hour. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and bake it. Okay friends, I think the second proofing is done. It's been sitting over there for an hour. Oh, look how nicely they got puffed up. One is a little smaller one, but we got very big, huge bread rolls. Pav. I'm going to be applying the egg wash. If you're a vegetarian, just apply some milk on it. So it will give you the nice color on your rolls, okay? Ladi Pav. Okay friends, if you're visiting my channel for first time, please subscribe and share with your friends and family and have them subscribe too, and and watch my whole video because I give a lot of tips in the middle, very important tips. So okay friends, our oven is preheating on 350 degrees, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, I'll see you after 25 minutes. Okay friends, look, our pav is ready and they're so beautiful, although looks so yummy. So try to make this, and if you like the recipe, please click like and share and subscribe. I'm gonna show you how they look so soft and inside is so nice. Oof, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A little bit hot still. Look. See? It's like a sponge. So nice. So yummy. Okay? Okay, bye. See you next video.